Hi guys, this is a small update into the channel itself. I wanted to tell you guys that I just started a Discord server. Now this Discord server is going to be free for everyone to join, and what I want to build there is a community of tech enthusiasts and PC gaming people. Everybody is invited into them. If you have any problems with your PC, you can ask them there. You can show your setup, you can show your gaming PC, your system, you can ask questions, you can speak with me if you want so. And guys, all the links for this Discord server are going to be in the description down below. As I say, it's free to use for everybody and to join up. Even if you want to give video ideas and suggestions, you can do it in there. This is not only for the channel and the content of the channel itself. What I want to do, as I said before, is to create a community that we help each other out with problems that we have with our PC, with our systems, telephones, tech in general. So guys, if you're interested into a Discord server like that, now is the time to join in. At the beginning, it's going to be a little bit empty, of course, like everything, but the more people that join in, the better it's going to be for this community that I want to create right there. So go into the description of this video and check the Discord server right there. Invite your friends and everybody that you want into the server, and of course you have to be nice in there. I don't want to bad people. I want to form a really good and nice community to help each other out. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you're interested, you know where to find the link. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.